Today we are celebrating Sun in Virgo. Virgo constellation is one of the most powerful constellation in the space, and Tibetan Master says that constellation, Virgo constellation, influences 9 other zodiacal constellations, developing in them Christ consciousness. When we say Christ consciousness, we don't refer to Christianity. We refer to the ray of compassion, to the power of compassion that is in space, in galaxies. And Virgo acts as a focus of that ray of compassion. Acting as a focus in that compassion, of that ray of compassion, Virgo prepares a consciousness within all that it is related. And that consciousness is characterized as a consciousness that strives towards future. Towards complete inclusiveness. Towards everlasting revelation, unfoldment. Towards total sacrificial living. That's what Christ consciousness means. And because of the Virgo is the paradigm of all mothers. Especially at the time of Virgo full moon, women are affected. Their consciousness tends to enter into an intuitive state of awareness. Because Christ consciousness means intuitive awareness, channeling the ray of compassion, cosmic second ray. And when this cosmic energy of compassion comes to the woman's consciousness, it creates a striving towards future unity of mankind, towards integration of all that exists as separate forms. Because in all forms, that ray of compassion is the presence of Christ. The light by which everyone is born, says St. John. The intuitional light. Every human being, every group, every nation, humanity, all planets and solar systems that are connected in the network of that 9 constellations, which are inspired by the ray of compassion through the Virgo, become wombs. And in that womb, the Christ consciousness builds itself gradually and gradually. We see, for example, that so many million of years, humanity ate each other, literally. Destroyed each other, hated each other. Through people that propaganda, separativeness, materialism, hatred, revenge, jealousy. But no matter what happened throughout ages, we see now all over the world that Christ consciousness is awakening. When we say in America, for example, Christ consciousness, in India they called it Krishna consciousness. In other places of the earth they called Zoroastrian flame. Or in Buddhist countries they call it Buddhi, the intuition, the light of Buddha. It's all the same. But now we can see in many, many countries that Christ consciousness, intuitive penetration, the energy that is looking to the future, the energy that trying to combine and synthesize humanity into one functioning mechanism is awakening.